Hi there, welcome back to Flow Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS Teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Quizzell, which is basically a platform that allows you to turn visitors into customers by creating AI-powered quizzes. Right? So first of all, just to get started, we can see that the headline is very clear. There's no ambiguity about what this software does, which is great. And so the prospect will be very clear. Also, we got a very good element of credibility in terms of the 20,000 plus businesses that have already used this quiz, and they've got a really good CTA as well. What I would say though is that if you scroll down slowly, you can see even more credibility in terms of the high average ratings that they've gotten on G2, Capterra, Shopify, and Wix. What I would say is having that immediately above the fold without having to scroll, right there, it might have been more helpful, especially because it's literally just about moving it by a few centimeters. Other than that, it's a great start, and we got a few pictures about how to actually use it, and you can see the features. You can scroll down the tabs to see exactly which ones you can do, which ones you are more interested in. You can see that they also do A/B testing, which is really important for analytics. Also, it shows how it can integrate with all the other big platforms. And once again, as before, they clearly state how they've been trusted by 20,000 plus businesses, and there's some really high-profile brands like Burberry and you know any other brand that they've basically worked with is very impressive, basically. Okay, and here they've got more explanations about how it works, and it's very helpful for the clients, and so that they know which specific type of tool they're actually looking for. Right, and is what that's a good thing as well that they've started that companies have started having. It's like they actually they've added links with the actual AI chat box actually answering a question with a predefined prompt. Right, so that's really good. Okay, so got more explanations. And as always, it's very important if you've got to actually show the certificates that you've got in order to put the prospects that are peace of mind, right? Give them peace of mind about your reliability and security, right? And again, it's great. And this takes us to the end of the actual homepage. One thing I would say that might help increase the opt-ins or conversions is to simply add a frequently asked questions at the bottom of the page. These are very helpful in terms of handling any objections that a prospect might have in their minds before using the software and deciding to purchase. Also, adding a potential contact form above the fold might increase the number of opt-ins by a few percent. And this can be done by adding an incentive to the actual contact form, whether that is a freebie, a discount, or any kind of incentive that might encourage prospects to part ways with their contact details. And then we can check the pricing to see if it's all very clear. And as you can see, it is really good. You can see every single tier with the predefined pricing. The reason why this is good is because it allows the prospects to make an informed decision about which specific tier might be best for them. And also here they've also got some more pricing tables, comparison tables that a prospect might use in order to make an informed decision. And these are always helpful. And it goes well in depth. Oh, so here, as you can see, they do have the frequently asked questions. And I do notice a pattern with businesses trying to add this just on the pricing page. But I feel like adding a few of these questions even on the homepage might be helpful in order to handle some of their objections. And then just to finish, we can check the main CTA, which is get started for free. And as you can see, it is a standard um, pop-up and where you can sign up with your Google or with your email. right? So it might have been helpful as well to add some kind of, extra credibility and social proof. And I'm not sure if I've seen any testimonials, unless I've just gotten, I was, unless I just didn't actually pay attention. Oh yeah, here's the number of case studies. So this is pretty important as well. It's because I was flying through the website, and usually I'm used to like seeing the reviews in text form, but like, this is very helpful as well. Okay, and you can see all the stats that they've been able to achieve for their businesses. So this is really good. Okay, so other than that, this is a really good website. I'm sure it's converting a lot. With a few more modifications, they might increase the conversions even more. Who knows? But other than that, this takes us to the end of the video. And if you happen to be a B2B SaaS founder who would like to increase their conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click the link down below in the description to book a call with me, and I may be able to help you. Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.